In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070422 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows, and this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on fixing the issue. So simply follow the suggestions and recommendations or the on-screen instructions. So as you can see, this will ask you for the problem that you are facing. So simply run it and then follow the instructions, and after doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then the second thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type services. Click on it under the best match. So we need to look for the DCOM process launcher service. DCOM server process launcher. Make sure this is automatic. If it has stopped running, click the start button, apply and then OK. Then look for the Windows Defender Firewall. Here it is. Double click. Make sure this is automatic too, and make sure this is running by clicking on the start button, apply and then OK. Then look for the Windows Update service. Double click. Change this to automatic. Click on the start button, apply and then OK. You can also click the restart button on the left pane. Then after doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.